Hello, my name is Stormy Wellington, and I am a distributor with Total Life Changes. I want to introduce you to an experience of a lifetime. Guys, my experience started about 2 weeks ago when I was introduced to a very phenomenal product that actually changed my life. Guys, I've been in this industry of network marketing and direct sales for over 6 years. And I tell you, what we're experiencing right now with this company is something that I've never experienced before. This has been an opportunity for people that have struggled in the industry. There are so many people out there that's burned out. They're tired of the games. And so when you take a look at Total Life Changes, just know that this opportunity can totally change your life. Guys, 90 days ago, I got a little small package in the mail that consisted of some tea and some pills. And guys, I began to drink the tea not knowing what to expect. And I tell you guys, within 24 hours, this amazing product sent me to the restroom. Now guys, I don't know about you, but there are plenty of women all around the world, all across the country, that suffer from an issue or condition called IBS. That's short for irritable bowel syndrome. And guys, I began to drink this tea, and I want you to know that it sent me to the restroom within 24 hours. Now that may not be a big deal to you, but it's a big deal to me because at the young age of 13, I was diagnosed with that syndrome. Now guys, I'm a person that used to have to take Dulcolax and laxatives and magnesium citrate, but guys, in 24 hours, I had an elimination. So I didn't know what was doing what, guys, and I was so shocked that I actually took the product and I shipped it to a good friend of mine out in Atlanta, Georgia. I actually gave it to two of my very closest girlfriends right here in Miami, Florida, and I tell you, within 24 hours, everyone shared the same experience. And that's when I said, you know what, Stormy? It is time to take off your emotional hat and put on your businesswoman hat. And guys, I want to encourage you for the next 15 minutes to take off your personal hat and put on your business hat, because what we're about to talk about can absolutely change your life. Guys, our company is owned by a gentleman by the name of Mr. Jack Fallon. He's the CEO and the founder of this company, and he started TLC 14 years ago in his garage. And guys, we started with one product, and now we have an array of products. Guys, his ultimate goal was to create a product line that offered immediate gratification to the masses, but also sustained a quality of life. And so what we're going to talk about here today is not just for a business person that wants to become a distributor and distribute our products all around the world, but this is for a person that wants to be a customer and use our products as well. Guys, our company taps in to 10 very fast-paced growing industries. And I'm going to share with you a couple of them, guys, what has us so excited and why you do not want to miss what's taking place with Total Life Changes. The first one that we participate in is the weight loss industry. And guys, I want you to ask yourself a quick question. Who do you know that want to lose 5 pounds in 5 days? I mean, who do you know that want to lose 10 pounds in 10 days? You know, a couple of weeks ago, guys, when I first started using this product and I began to do my research, I began Googling, I was blown away with the people that I saw that were losing 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 pounds just by drinking this organic tea. But then I ran across the slogan, and the slogan of our company in the tea is lose 5 pounds in 5 days. And that's when I got excited. And so let me just talk a little bit about our flagship product, which is the ISO tea. Guys, the ISO tea is packed with 9 herbs, okay? It's 100% organic. It's packed with 9 herbs. You make this tea by the gallon and you consume it after breakfast, 8-ounce glass, after lunch, an 8-ounce glass. You can drink a 4-ounce glass after dinner. And the herbs in this product are herbs like papaya, okay, ginger, chamomile, holy thistle. And you drink this tea, guys, and you're going to see that this product is going to help you to detoxify the body. What's happening is that it's actually detoxifying your body at the cellular level. It's also going to remove parasites. It's going to cleanse your colon. You're going to notice an increase in your energy. And one of the amazing benefits that everybody's talking about with the ISO tea, we also call it the skin tea, is that they're losing weight. You know, my sister, guys, lost 21 pounds in 2 weeks. And that's exciting for me because it's bringing back her self-confidence. Guys, I had a baby 12 months ago and I've lost 10 pounds in 10 days. Another one of my dear friends lost actually over 31 pounds in less than 4 weeks. Guys, we have men that's losing 10 and 20 pounds in a matter of 10 and 20 days. And so just think about that for a moment. What would you do if you can lose an extra 10 pounds in 10 days? The second product that I want to share with you guys on today is a product called Energy. This product is an all-natural capsule that's going to help to turn up the appetite, but turn on the energy. Guys, one of the amazing things about this product called Energy is that it happens to be one of my favorite products. You know, it suppresses my appetite. I noticed that I barely even want to eat. And that was important to me because I found myself knick-knacking throughout the day. But this product also does something to your mood. We actually have named it out here in Miami, Florida, the Happy Pill. And so who do you know that may be suffering from depression issues or anxiety issues or even suffering from, you know, having a high appetite, right? Guys, this product is absolutely phenomenal, and it's something that you can use in addition to the tea. Now, we also tap into, you know, the weight loss industry, and we tap into the health and wellness industry, and we tap into the energy industry. And guys, being a part of the health and wellness industry is amazing because I know that the health and wellness industry is on its way to hitting $1 trillion plus industry. And there are so many people out there, including baby boomers and even the new generation, that their focus is to eat healthier, to live a better quality of life, to eat more organic foods. And so we have a product called NutriBurst. Okay, NutriBurst is a liquid multivitamin. It's packed with over 72 minerals, 19 amino acids, 22 fruits and greens, and it even has something called chaga, which, guys, you do your research, Google chaga, and you will see it is something miraculous that when consumed can do some amazing things, okay? That was our very first product. Guys, our company is amazing as it is. We've also tapped into the adult industry. I've never seen a company that has a product that allows us to tap into that market. And I'm not going to go too deep into that, but once you become an affiliate with our company or a distributor or even just a customer, the person that introduced you to this video will give you more information about that. But we have an amazing natural product that allows us to tap into that industry. Now, we have an amazing coffee line. You know, guys, I've been around for a while and I've made money in the coffee industry. But when I look at the coffee line we have the mochas, we have the chocolate, we have the skinny coffee. Guys, drink this coffee. It's going to curb your appetite. It's a fat burner coffee. And you can mix it with any cream or sugar that you choose. And so our company taps into the coffee industry. And the thing that's so phenomenal about that is that you look at the coffee industry and you're talking about 500 million cups of coffee is consumed on a daily basis just right here in North America alone. In addition to that, my friends, we have a powerful skincare line. It's an anti-aging skincare line. We have a product actually called Renique. Renique is like liquid Botox. You use it, and it's going to help to increase the time frame of your Botox. It's also good for removing some of those dark circles under your eyes. It's also amazing for fine lines and wrinkles. That's actually one of our best sellers in terms of skincare. Now, we have face wash, exfoliants, eye creams, day creams, and we have something called Apple Stem. Google Apple Stem, infused in many of our skincare products. And guys, many expensive skincare lines has a ingredient in their skincare line called Apple Stem. As a matter of fact, Michelle Obama, the First Lady, uses a line with something called Apple Stem. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a product called Immune Oil that allows our company to tap into both the pain industry and the skincare industry. Guys, this Immune Oil, Google it. That's EMU oil. Guys, we have 100% pure Immune Oil that you take this oil, rub it on any problematic area, and within a matter of minutes, guys, seconds, you're going to see pain levels decrease. People that deal with, you know, joints pain, aches in the muscles, people that have psoriasis, eczema, you know, different skin conditions, guys. You take this oil and rub it on your skin, and like magic, you're going to see a major difference in those different areas. And, you know, not to mention, guys, I think this is a caveat. You know, Beyonce did an interview a couple of months back, and, you know, the interviewer asked her, hey, what is your skincare secret? And, of course, she said that I use Immune Oil. So, of course, I started to use Immune Oil as well. And ladies and gentlemen, we are in the process right now of coming out with a very phenomenal reshaping garment line. This reshaping garment line, guys, is highly compressive. It's both for men and women. And what it's going to do is reshape the body, but it's not going to have any of the bones in it that normally causes pain. You know, a lot of these garments, guys, as wonderful as they are very uncomfortable. But guys, our reshaper line is going to be released here in the near future. It's highly compressive. It helps, you know, flatten that stomach, you know, lift up the buttocks. It helps you to give that curvaceous curves right here on the side that we all want women, and great for men as well. But guys, very comfortable. And so we're tapping into the garment industry as well. So ladies and gentlemen, you're talking about a 14-year-old company that really is like the best kept secret. Nobody really even knows that we exist. And just know that you watching this video, you're first to see this. And just in a matter of a couple of months, I promise you, we are going to be, sweeping the nation with our skin tea, ISO tea. Okay. Now I want to switch gears and talk about another industry that we tap into, which is the internet-based industry. If you're watching this video, you're watching this obviously from your YouTube, or you may be at a home party or a tea party, or your girlfriend may have invited you over and she said, hey, you got to see this. I don't know, but guys, technology is changing the world. You know, you can click a button and you can make, obscene amount of money with our company. As a matter of fact, you're seeing so many people right now on Facebook, on Instagram, and Twitter that's posting pictures of their scale. They're posting pictures of their before and afters. Guys, people are actually getting their confidence and their high school sexy and skinny back. And so we're looking for people that want to distribute our products. So I strongly encourage you guys to really pay close attention, because I'm going to share with you, how you can use this opportunity to supplement or replace your income. Guys, you can make between $5,000 or $5,000 with this company per week. Guys, sky is really the limit. Now let's talk about the 5 ways that we actually get paid with this company. And guys, before I get into the compensation plan, I will share with you that when I met Mr. Jack Fallon a couple of weeks ago, I was blown away by his humility. And I believe that everything is about leadership. When I look at Team USA that paved the way for us, Kenny Lloyd and, Erwin and Shantae Lloyd, Lanika and Greg Scott, guys, they have proven to us that this system and this company actually works. You're talking about people that have been in this company for 10 short months, already averaging, guys, $250,000 up to $500,000 in less than a year. And so the next question I want to ask you is, what would you do with an extra $1,000 a week? Guys, what would you do with an extra $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 a week? Guys, what would you do with an extra 6 figures in your bank account by the mere fact of making a decision to partner with Total Life Changes? Guys, we get paid 5 ways. The first income stream is what we call retail sales.